So guys, Mr. Harrison, and today I am going to be doing my night routine, which I have to do every single day. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to hop in the shower. I already got shower and stuff. And I'm going to have to turn the camera. Y'all see me? Yeah. I don't got to turn the camera. No, because what I got to do is just turn it off real quick. Ooh, it's cold. Hey. Alright guys, so this is my last one. Gotta dry off first. And I know this sounds like everybody else night routine, but mine is totally different from others. So just stay tuned to see. So what the heck? Set that right there. Yeah, my shirt. Boom. Put that on. But I got out the shower. Alright. So you guys don't think that this is the end of my routine. It's not. Still have a thing or two to do. So now we're just gonna move you guys right here. Should it be right here? Yeah, I think it should be right here. I also think that it should be right here. So I'll move that. Now we're gonna get our toothbrush, my old toothbrush. Right. Some toothpaste on it. Put it again. Grab your fingers and just start brushing them. And I do this to clean my fingers, and it also helps your fingernails grow. But look at these fingers. Pretty nasty. You guys can't tell. Pretty nasty. So I'm doing this one right now. And watch the before and then after. It's pretty crazy. And in about 5 days, your fingernails will be pretty long. The thing I don't like is that I always bite my fingers. So it never lasts to step on. So that one is done. Now you see that? Totally different. You guys can't see, but I'll show you guys later. Now you have to do this hand. So that's why I told you guys my routine is different than others. Because I clean my fingernails. Like, this is good for if you bite your nails a lot and you want them to grow. It's easy. So boom, that's that's my finger cleaning brush. Okay. And here's my toothbrush. Use the same toothpaste. Wow, all my toothpaste just fell off. These are brand new angles that I'm trying out. I'm feeling like I really like them. Oh. Oh, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I like my toothpaste to be flat like this. Gonna set that down right there. Yeah, my face, it is still wet, but I'm about to dry it off. Just dried it off. So now gotta do one more thing. Wash my face. And yes, I do use baby lotion. See that? Baby Magic. Almost forgot my arms and stuff. And gotta get my stuff. Hands is slippery. Mom, I just got out the shower. So, tell my mom that every day I get out the shower, clear off my bed, score. Put that up there. There. Got my little football. Oh. Guys, I could be a football player, bro. See, cause look. I'm trying to find somewhere where I could put that shot. I think I could put it right here. What you think? 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 Oh, my room messy. I could be a football player, bro. But I'm going to go over my phone. The camera. See? Boom. I got my spinner. I could throw it to myself. Look. Honestly, yeah, this is what I do at night. I just get pretty bored. Oh. Now, just fix up my bed, take a mint, pop a mint inside my mouth. Lay in bed, watch YouTube. What I gotta say? Make sure you be on the way. Tomorrow I am posting a snack slash junk food ASMR. Make sure you guys go check that out. Go check it out. Let's show you my fidget spinner first. It's not going as fast as it actually does. Like I was saying, guys, make sure you guys are on the way for the junk food ASMR. Because if you guys don't know, my camera has like the best microphone. See, look. Or